Hello viewers, today we will discuss the opportunity management. We know opportunity is a core entity that represents a potential sale and opportunity used to track and manage sales process throughout the life cycle. We can say from the initial contact, which is the lead, to closing the deal. As you know, this is the third video in the end user track. Refer to the video description for the playlist and the related session information. Most importantly, please subscribe if you haven't already. Let's take a quick look at our topics today. We will discuss what are the ways to create an opportunity, how stages can be customized, and using a dashboard to have a look at the sales forecast and the pipeline, and how products and services are related to the opportunity, and how teams can collaborate for any given opportunity, and how to close the opportunity, and how we can extend the business processes using a Power Automate, and some other processes on the opportunity standpoint. Opportunities can be created in different ways. One of them manually, which is similar to lead and contact. Either it can be individual or bulk. The third one is through the portal. Fourth one is through the integration using a Power Automate or a Data Factory or a Logic App or any other integration tool. And finally, through the lead qualification process. Let's review the manual process. So on the CRM side, go on the left navigation side, click on opportunities. And now in this view, we have a new buttons. So we can use one of this operation. Or if you are in another opportunity, say for example, another opportunity, just open another opportunity using just expand it. And then we can able to create another way using manual process. We can able to create it here and using the manual single operation, and then we can able to create using an quick create. So we can use a quick button here, and then we can able to create an opportunity. Those are the three ways, just manual process one by one. Okay, and in the manual process of bulk way, we can we can go to the view, and then we can click on the three dots, and then we can able to import import from XML, either from a CSV or XML. So these are the manual process. Let's discuss create opportunity using a lead conversion. When we convert a lead to an opportunity, most of the information we need for an opportunity will be automatically populated from the lead. This includes details about the customer, contact, and other related informations. And then it has a default stage where it can start with that, but we can customize it based on our business processes. And before we go to the next stage, we need to make sure we fill the information, which is the record information with its an asterisk symbol. In mainly, we capture two informations on this opportunity: estimated revenue and estimated close date. Estimated revenue is where we can indicate the potential value of this specific opportunity. So this helps us forecast our future revenue and prioritize our efforts. And then estimated close date is the expected closing date of the opportunity. This is very crucial for making accurate revenue forecast and planning our sales strategy. So to deep dive into them, just take a lead conversion, go to CRM here, and then go to any leads. Okay, open any lead record. So in this case, I just open the one lead record. It's currently in a qualify stage, and then now I'm going to qualify it. So it has a now configuration whether you want to create an account, contact, and opportunities. In this case, I'm going to say yes, we need to create an opportunity. Once the opportunity is created, and then it should move to the next stage, in this case, next business process flow on the develop stage. So if we look at here is the qualify stage, we qualified it, and then it wasn't a lead, and then it qualified it, and it created an opportunity, and then currently it's in a develop stage. And then two important property which we're talking about it here is estimated close date and estimated revenue. So estimated close date, when are we expecting to close this say, so that now we can focus on to the follow up. And then the revenue also is very important for the any forecasting, and then to see the pipeline. We discussed the business process flow, or the visual representation of the business process. So the business process flow guides the user through a series of stages and steps to help them to perform or to complete the process consistently. Okay, it means every process is going to be in the same process to gather the information before you go to the next stage. We can configure the business process flow stages based on the field properties or the primary table of the record, where we are working on it. So for example, if the lead now if you create an opportunity from the lead using a lead conversion, your stages could be different. If you start opportunity, if you create opportunity from the opportunity record or new opportunity record, the stages could be different. Okay, so we can able to customize based on the field or origination on the stages. Let's review in a CRM. Go to CRM systems, and then previously we converted a lead to an opportunity. When we look into the business process flow, if you know, it has a qualify, develop, propose, and close, right? No, it has a, and what are the information in each stage it has it, right? Um, for example, I'm going to create a new opportunity and then to the stages. So for example here, I'm creating a new opportunity, right? So previously it was a lead to opportunity. You see the stages was different, the business flow stages. So this one is now different stages. And then when you have creating an opportunity from this record is different. Okay, and also now we can able to customize this business process based on the field property. Okay, in this case, what in this case, I'm going to say purchase time frame. Currently it's in on stage. I'm going to say this purchase time frame is in next quarter. After this quarter, if you see it here, is this is says now after this quarter, and I'm going to say immediate. Look at here is the business process flow is changed. Okay, the stages is different. So in this case, now if you not only the name just changed, and then we take a look at it here is in this stage, I'm collecting a different information here. Okay, and I'm changing to next quarter, and then you can see that different information. So what we are saying here is two things, right? The business process flow can be changed based on the field here, like in this case, and then where it's originated. So in this case, origination is opportunity, right? Because I'm creating an opportunity here, like here I'm creating a new opportunity, and then the business flow stages is different. Yeah, and also this business flow can able to change in using this field property as well. And then previously we discussed opportunity we created from the lead conversion, right? So we open the lead here, or we open the opportunity, and then using this process, and then look at here, this business process flow is different. So dashboard is nothing but just a visual representation of key data. Okay, we have a lot of views for the specific to the opportunity. We have a lot of views and dashboards already built in. Still we can able to customize it. There's a built-in metrics is already there. We can add more metrics, and then when we're looking at the data, we can able to view as a list or with a combo means basically like this graph or the dashboards. Okay, to view this one, just go to the CRM, and then as I mentioned, there is a lot of views already there. So by default is my open opportunity. You can look at the graph, and I'm changing to all opportunity, and then the dashboards is changing, right? Not only the data. Then here I have either I can view this data as a list, or I can view as a combo, right? So using this data, it shows as a graph, with some metrics. And the third, now finally, we can able to edit the metrics. Say for in this example, total deals is 31, pipeline value, right? Number of deals in the pipeline is 27. If it has a metrics already, we can add a own metrics. So for example, I'm adding a one metrics here. I'm going to say using just estimated revenue and then the sum, but I'm going to say it's created only in the last or this month, just for example this month. Okay, um, this month estimated revenue. Okay, I'll say apply one. It's added here, so we just close this one. Okay, so no, this one is this month estimated revenue, which is we added just now. Okay, So we can add a metrics, and then this is a view, so still we can able to customize and any filter on a given view as well. So in any opportunity, right? Any opportunity means basically we are selling products or some services. So now in this case, now we can able to configure the products for this opportunity. We can able to manage it. We can add or remove the opportunity, and then based on that, we can able to calculate the revenue as well. Okay, to try that one, so go to the CRM, and then now in this opportunity, open any. I'm going to create a new opportunity. So just open opportunity. I'm just going to say demo, and then just save this one. Once the record is saved, and then we should be able to add the products here. So I'm going to the products. In this case, now this is a subgrade. I can add a n number of any products in here. So I'm going to say add a product here. So it means, say for this opportunity, right? So for this opportunity, we'll be adding what are the products on this one. Either it could be a product or a services. In this case, is a product. I'm going to say this to add, and then this one is 3 add, and then save the opportunity. What happens is based on this quantity and then price, and then the estimate, now you can add it here. And also basically if you look at here is the revenue calculation, either the user provided or the system calculated. In this by default is a user provided. I'm going to say system calculated. Once I say the system calculated, right, so using this data, using this product, it's already calculated and then it's placed here. Okay, and then we can change it to here. Say for example it's a user provided, and then it's not changing, but actually you can say and say the user provided. We can able to customize it whether it's a user provided or no. Now you can apply the discount as well. Say for example, I'm going to say 4% discount. Okay, in this case, 5409, right? It says 5409. I mean 98, and then even though if I apply the discount here, it's not reflecting here because we said user provided. But I'm going to say system calculator. When I say system calculated, it should apply the all this calculation, and then it should be reflected here. So what we are looking here is basically, and any opportunity is we can manage what are the products or what are the services tied to that specific opportunity. We can able to calculate the revenue based on this pricing and then discount, all other information. We can able to recalculate the revenue based on either the custom one, either the user provided, we can as manually we do that, or it's a system calculated. If you see that any number it's odd, still we can able to say recalculate, and then it should recalculate it if it's not reflected. Now say for sometime example, if you updated anything the quantity on this grid, then it may not be reflected right away, so probably you can say that now recalculate, it should be affected. Again, still you can able to manage this product as well. So you can expand this one, then you should be able to see that now details here. If it is if it's this is applicable for groups. If you open this one, they should go to that another table called opportunity products table. So let me open this one. That's where it's basically it says for this opportunity, and then these are the product it's here, and then with the quantity and all these things. It's a kind of intermediate table to hold these informations, because we have opportunity, we have a table for this opportunity. What are the product it's allocated? We just intermediate tables here. Okay, and in the left hand navigation side, if we look at here is we can able to manage the product as well on this one, right? So in this case, there's a lot of products available. I mean, add here we can able to add, remove, when we can know it's valid, and then whether it's inactive, inactive, all kind of things we can able to do it here. Again, so this product it's a little bit we can cover on another topic, but it's a product. It's a we can add as a each product we can add to the family, and then sometimes it's a bundle. If you take a look at it, if you buy TV, and then they may ask the the wire card, HDMI cable, those are the things in a part of that one. It can be kind of bundled thing, right? So we can able to manage the product in using a CRM. And the same token, opportunity when it comes in the opportunity, we can able to add, remove that product for the specific opportunity. When working in a given opportunity, we can able to manage the who's the stakeholder, or who is this, what are the sales team involving that specific opportunity, and then what are the competitors on that opportunity. We can able to gather all this information, and then we can able to share with the team. Okay, to view that one, or we can add and manage it, go open to the any opportunities. So in this case, just I'm opening the any opportunities, and then the right hand side, we are able to see that who are the stakeholder on this one. And then in the sales team, on the, we can call it a pursuit, right? So in the pursuit, what are the, who is involved on this opportunity, because in a generally, when we have a sales credit, other sales processes there. So to know that one, now we need to know them, the who are working on this pursuit or this sales, the sales process. And then sometimes we need to know them as a competitor as well. No, this case, the competitor is basically, it's really good when we are winning the opportunity, or when we are losing an opportunity. Generally, this competitor knows, okay, who will be your competing for this given any opportunity. Okay, for example, for the same given opportunity, right? So for given the same opportunity with other companies also, may be involved here. Okay. Anyway, so this is just all three, right? Stakeholders, sales team, and all competitors. It's all are just collaboration for the any given opportunity. Say after now multiple conversation or email follow up on the discussion, finally, we may close the opportunity, either last or own. When we either both of the situation, basically, we can ask the status reason that can be customized it. And we can able to generate quotes and order when we win the opportunity. Okay, to try that one, go to the CRM systems. And so I'm in the opportunities, in all the cases, or most of the cases, right? In the stages, most of the cases, your stages must be completed to gather all the informations. And then finally, now I can say, yeah, I close the wound. And then now if it look is basically, this reasons it's a customizable, but now I can say this is some information, so I can save and close. So in this case, right, so this is, again, this is going to be a read only, and then this opportunity is closed with the reasons. To for the last, also the same thing, I'm going to open another opportunity. Look at 10. And then, so in this case, basically, and say after calls and discussion, I'm going to say this closes the last. And then that can be what are the reasons we are closing this one, or we can say last. And then the revenue, if it's already, the revenue is already there, it should populate it. So all this information, we can just populate them, and then just close here. Okay, if we know them are completed, we can definitely, should be added here. We can extend the business process or the functionality using a Power Automate, or we can say it more business processes. To do that, go to your opportunity. So open any opportunity card. In this case, already I created Power Automate to extend the business logic. So click on three dots on here, and then click on flows, and then you can already see that opportunity process already created, and then we can extend it. So whether it can be ad hoc, or using any field property changes. So we have some other operations as part of the opportunity. For example, recalculate. If you're adjusting price, count or something, if it's not properly calculated, you can press them recalculate, and then you can send them the email as for this opportunity link as an email. You can send them the email, and then you can you can create an opportunity and using you can create an opportunity using a web template. So for example, I go to opportunity here, And then now, as mentioned, basically, say for example, you have some products here, and then the products, you need to recalculate it, and then it, based on this setup, if you have a, recalculate, it should recalculate it automatically, and then no, somehow if you update the way, the price is not updated, if you think about it, we can recalculate it. The second one is, now, as I said, email as a link. We can send this as an email as a link. Another user, they can come directly to this opportunity. And then the third one is basically the word template. Now, say for example, we can create a multiple uh, templates on this one. Say for this example, now I have an opportunity summary. When you click on this one, and then this opportunity information, it's become using this word template. It will create a nice, document so that we can send to customer or anywhere on the business. So ideally, we can able to use a Word document as a template, and then it can merge this information. So for example, I'm just opening this information. You should be able to see, whatever the information we added on this opportunity, you should be able to see it here, right? So this is just a nice document, and then we can collaborate. We can send to the customer most of the time, right? So when you create an opportunity, they may say, hey, can you send this opportunity information so that I can discuss with the team or something, so that we can send it. So we can be able to create a Word template. No, we can able to create a multiple one globally or personally. Today we discussed how to create an opportunity and manually or in a lead conversion, how to close the opportunity, either win or loss, and then how the products are related to the opportunity, and then how we can able to customize the stages based on the field data or the where it's created or origination, and then the dashboards. Now already a lot of opportunity dashboards and views is already there. How we can able to customize it, the metrics and all. And then how it's our roadmap looks like. Now today we learned opportunity management and the part of the end user track. Next one is we are going to learn about tracking activities, or you can say activities tracking or track activities. uh, Thank you everyone. See you on the next video. Bye.